So this is our combined memory game. I'll show that the menu works. I have different memory tabs for the different games. So you can switch between those and select different games. Going into my game first. My game is a visual memory game where the user is shown different objects on the scene, and after the timer runs out, the objects disappear and they have to click on where they were before. And then the next round, there are more objects in the scene. And if they miss, they lose a heart, and they have 3 chances for that. So that's the basic gameplay for my game. Moving on to Melody Match. You can go ahead.
Right. So this game essentially tasks the user with playing notes that the game presents the player with. Order. It's essentially just assignment, but instead of buttons, we have piano keys. So here's hot cross buns.
You want me to go into the game?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just repeat the letter that was just appeared up on the screen there. So we press ED. So on and so forth. I'm sure you get the point. But, this helps reinforce memory just by reinforcing such as short-term memory and teaches useful skills, kind of how to play the piano. So, you know.
Okay. And then we can go to the facial memory game.
And so facial memory, this is a game where the user can upload images and names of their family members. So if you go to the upload image, and what you do is you press the upload image button, and then for the sake of this, you could just throw in some random screenshots, I guess, that you have on your computer.
I don't think the button works on the build.
Oh, does it not? It works when I build it. Okay.
We'll have to fix that, but that's okay.
Yeah, okay. So if you just want the demonstration should still work if you press start. And then it's a little tutorial, go. And then basically you have 10 seconds to memorize which names go with which faces. And then after 10 seconds, the names will go in the word bank below. And your job is to click and drag the names to the pictures that they belong with. And then a correction will do that. And then once you do that, you can go on to the next level. And it'll keep going and adding more names and faces. So this is level 2. Just added another name. And then at this point, the maximum you can do is level 3, which is 4 faces with names. So this is the last level. And then, yeah, when you get it wrong, you'll get, it'll just let you know you did it wrong. And then you can just re-click and drag the names to the correct faces, and it will work. And that's it.
Okay, and then we'll do the memory bank game.
Yeah, so this is mine. So you can adjust the volume right at the start. And then there's two options where you can go from here. You can add questions. And then you can also just go to game. So adding questions, you upload from your camera roll. And then you can also enter the prompt to guess and then enter the 5-letter word to guess. And that will be saved on the person's computer or phone, wherever they do that. So yeah, the prompt is going to be kind of like a hint for them to get the word. The upload from camera roll will show you the picture of what they're trying to guess, and then the 5-letter word to guess is going to be the answer that they have to submit. And then these are just kind of the basic instructions. So if you guys know how to play Wordle, it's the exact same kind of setup with that. And so I just kind of copied the rules from that, but it's reusing it and kind of redesigning Wordle to fit for the memory game. So yeah, and then once this would be a screen that I'll have a screenshot of how it would kind of look like on my slides, but this screen pops up if there's no memory saved on the person's computer or phone. So it prompts them to upload from camera roll. If they have something there, then it'll show the image, and once they get it correct, it'll delete again. If they get it wrong, then they'll be able to restart. And yeah, so they'll be able to access the camera roll again, enter a prompt, and then it'll queue them up to have another word to guess. So yeah.
I'll see if this works for that.
Okay.
It looks like it doesn't.
Okay.
That's-
Yeah, no worries. I'll put a screenshot of that. Thank you.
All right, and that's all of our projects.